All right, guys, we are back. We are actually in the store getting everything that we need for the walls in our store. This is Straight Outta Content. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to grow your business, how to create a business. I'm here with the beautiful Flash Custom Designs, Shelly. We're here on our merch. You see she's got the merch on. I got the merch on. So we got some cool little brackets. We're gonna be hanging some type of grid type of things on the wall. It's gonna look really unique, very fly. We already have some type of design that we want. So today we're here actually executing it. So we're getting everything that we need from the store, and then we're gonna go home and try to zip everything into the wall and really start to get the look of the store going forward. We're gonna spend a grip today. It's definitely not cheap, but we always try to find the best deals that we can. And that's what you gotta do whenever you're building your business. So Shelly right now, she's putting everything into the cart. She got 10 right there. We need 20 of these for the look that we want to kind of have like a recessed grid look. Hopefully I'm not messing up her numbers.
10.
Boom, 10 there. This store is really cool. You can get almost anything you need for the inside of your store. We come here. This is our second time here. What they have here, hands down that I've seen, Danny, if you're watching this store has, look at that type of counter. This one over here is only like $375. So if you're looking for a type of counter, any type of glass display or anything, this is definitely the store to come to. It's off of Harwin, but this right here is only like $375. It's cheap. Everything that you would need for the inside of your store, all different types of displays and stuff like that. Open signs. We're definitely gonna be buying a lot of things out of here. So just to let you guys know, you can come here. I'll put the link in the description down below with the address to this place. And yeah, definitely come out here, get anything that you need for your store. So we're gonna go ahead and cash out, and then where do we have to go? We gotta go get bulk. We gotta go get the clothing items. So it's gonna be a long day, but we're just working, and we're gonna head to the store next, to the clothing store next. Okay, so we are out of the store, and we got everything here, all the brackets. Shelly has some brackets. Now we gotta go down there and get the rest of our stuff. So let me unlock my car, put this on the ground. You okay? You happy?
I don't know.
You're not happy? You're never happy whenever we do something. She's never happy. She's never satisfied. So we actually have to, we actually have to go down there and go get everything. Looks like they gotta go up pretty high. I wish I had a Toyota, because my key is too small. So anyway, we're about to do that right now. I need both hands to do that. All right, so we got the grid walls in the back. There better be 5 in there. I don't know how many comes in a pack. This says 3-piece, quantity 3. So we need 2 more of these. Because this is quantity 3, yeah. Black. Waiting for it out of there. So we got 5 5-foot grid walls and 10 shelves. What was it? Like 250? Right around 250? That's not bad. What else do we got? Oh, and then the brackets. And that included the brackets. Yeah, 20 of the brackets to kind of give it that, bring it off the wall a little bit. So it's gonna have like a really cool feel. You excited yet?
I don't know how I feel.
Oh. I guess it's nothing, right? It's just normal. Just normal every day. We used to it, huh? We used to this type of work, to this labor. Now, once it's all done, then you only got to do it once. And then the next store that we do, we will not be doing all of this. We definitely will be paying somebody to do it. Or we'll just go and pick it up and just have it shipped and installed. You know, all we'll be doing is just placing phone calls. Okay, so we're all loaded up. We're all loaded up, so now we're headed to the house. No, we're headed to drop this off at the store. Do you want to swing by the house to get the drill?
I need to get some vinyl.
Oh, we need to go get vinyl, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we're back in the store. We brought everything that we needed in, so all of these brackets, wall brackets and stuff like that will go on this wall right here, and then, so it's gonna be vinyl, right in this section right here, and then apparel in this section, and then our retail counter right there, and then on this wall will be all the different clothing brands and other stuff that kind of liven the store up. But first thing we need to do is, well, lovely Chelly is painting the door, finishing the door. I have to fix this light fixture. So Chelly bought these right here, and it looks like, I don't think I have the front box of what it looks like, but basically bulbs go in there and they hang from here. So I've never done this before. It's gonna be kind of a doozy doing it, but there is a manual, so it should be pretty easy, cut and dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and show you guys what it looks like at the end.